today you can tell I am doing a kitchen video, a very exciting one too. So this is for all the witches, wizards, and muggles. I am making Harry Potter Butterbeer. So I am going off a frozen butterbeer that we have gotten from Universal Studios. If you guys have ever been there, I know they have hot, chilled, and frozen. Frozen is the one I'm going to be making today. If you guys would like to see how I do it, please keep on watching. So before I get started, I just wanted to point out all this awesome Harry Potter gear I have on. So I am wearing the Sorcerer's Stone ring. I have on Luna Lovegood's glasses, and I'm wearing this very cute Harry Potter shirt. And I am also wearing the necklace with Luna's glasses. And if you can see, let's get up real close. Look at these cute, adorable Harry Potter earrings. We got that at like a local festival. So it's like all in Harry Potter, thanks to my sister Sam. She is the OG Harry Potter fan, so I knew who to go to get all this gear ready for this video. So let me cut all that chit chat and let's get into this video. So, have my blender here. You will need a blender. I have the little tiny one, so I'm using the Ninja, and it comes with this little tiny one. This is for the topping. I'll get into that a little later. You will need a butterscotch syrup. This was very hard to find, so if you have a giant food store around you, that is where I found this. I checked like Walmart, Target, and I don't know where else, and I couldn't find it. I found it here, and it was only $2.99, so got that. I have Ghirardelli caramel sauce. You will need heavy whipping cream. You will need cream soda of any kind, it doesn't matter. And then you will need vanilla ice cream of your choice. The best one for this is French vanilla if you want that very strong vanilla-y taste inside of it. But I'm using vanilla bean, and that's what the butterscotch syrup is for. So, there's always substitutes and things to go around it. And let's not forget the iconic Butterbeer mug from Universal Studios. That is what I'm going to be using today. And to also follow along before I get into the steps, I do have the full recipe linked on my blog. I can put that link down in my description bar, and so you guys can click it and you guys can follow along as well, as usual with all my other recipes. So before I start, I will go head over and get some crushed ice from my refrigerator. So I took a measuring cup and I put basically about a cup and a cup and 1/4 of crushed ice. Depending how many people you're making it for, you can alter the recipe. So I'm just going to use about, like I said, a cup and 1/4 and get all the extra out. Next, I'm going to be pouring in some cream soda. Like I said, my recipe is up on my blog so you guys can follow along. I'm just going to be eyeballing this. And you'd only need crushed ice if you're making the frozen one, and that is the one I'm making today. It is my favorite, tastes so good, and this is a non-alcoholic drink, by the way. So perfect for summer, just letting you guys know. I'm going to be putting in a little bit of caramel syrup. I'm going to be adding some butterscotch syrup in there. And butterscotch is like the key component to this. But if for some reason you can't find it, caramel syrup and French vanilla ice cream go a long way. And then of course, last but not least, the ice cream. Let's get this open. I misplaced my ice cream scoop, so I'm using a tablespoon, so it's gonna take me a bit. I took my ice cream out a little bit ago to thaw, so it would be easy, and it's still not, so. I mean, not so the consistency I want it to be. Okay, so I put like 5.5 tablespoons of vanilla bean ice cream, so I'm going to blend it up now. Going to turn it on, and I'm going to put it on number 2. Alright, I think that's a good consistency. Let's take a look. That looks amazing. It even smells amazing. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to be mixing the topping in here. So I don't know if you guys have ever gotten like cold foam or vanilla sweet cream cold foam at Starbucks. So that's basically what I'm making, and that's what goes on top of the butterbeer. So for that, I'm going to be using heavy cream. And then to flavor it, I'm going to be adding just a little squirt of butterscotch syrup. I love that about my Ninja, that I have this little smoothie guy and then the big one, so like for a drink like this, I don't have to like pour that out and then rinse it. So convenient. I'm just gonna put that in and hit single. Alrighty, that should be done. I'm going to go ahead now and pour the butterbeer. Let's get up close. Let's see if you guys can see what this looks like. Alright, and I'm just going to save the rest for the topping. So I ended up taking the lid off and taking the blade out just so I can get the rest. And as you can see, what I did in the blender to the cup is a perfect ratio for 1 cup of butterbeer. Now that I have my butterbeer poured, I am going to add the topping. Let's see what this looks like. That looks so beautiful. Let's see if I could show you what this looks like up close. You can see it looks like a foamy topping, and like I said, if you're ever used to getting cold foam or vanilla sweet cream cold foam from Starbucks or even getting it at Dunkin' Donuts, it basically looks just like that. I'm going to go ahead and pour this on top. Let's see. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Oh, I love it. And to top it all off, you're going to be drizzling some caramel syrup over top of it. So here I have my finished product. I'm so happy with the way it came out. Looked so gorgeous, and I did such a gorgeous drizzle, if I say so myself. So this is what it looks like when we got it from Universal Studios. We went in 2016, and of course my sister had to try the frozen butterbeer, and I went along with her, and this tasted so good. And they have these little like souvenir cups, and it was like $5, I believe. So of course she snagged one of those. So of course I had to use it in today's video. So I'm going to give this a taste now. That is so good. Very messy. And if you want, you can even put a straw inside of it to get all the yummy stuff on the bottom too. I will be getting a special someone to be giving this a taste and seeing if I made it the way that Universal did. Give me 1 second. Ta-da!
I have to like squat.
Yeah, I'm short, so my camera's always very low. Alrighty, here's some butterbeer. I did add a straw. You can definitely taste the topping, and then you can taste that, or just drink it all, whatever. Let's see how I did.
Scotch all over my fingers, so
I know.
Oh my god.
I know. I can tell because you like took
really
like 2
good.
sips.
Yeah, I love that. It kind of tastes like the one at Universal. That one was the frozen one, so it has like the crushed ice in it.
Can I get some?
I don't think I put ice cream in the one that I made on my channel. Mine's way different, but this one tastes really good though, so I give it a 10 out of 10. So
yes! Thank you.
Alright guys, bye!
Thank you for joining us. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright everyone, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. It was so fun making this, and I haven't had this delicious treat in such a long time. It's so good for a refresher in the summer, and it's even so cozy and tasty in the fall with like the butterscotch and the caramel. So it's very versatile. You can make it in any season that you want. You can definitely follow along on my blog, like I said, and you can alter it to how many servings you are making. I will definitely link that down in the description box. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure to leave some comments down below if you guys like this video and if you guys would like to see other videos like this. And don't forget to turn on that notifications bell so you guys will never miss any uploads of mine. With all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!